Hi guys, David with First Place Auto Parts, and today we're in the shop and we're going to take a look at a question that we get a lot from our customers, and that is, how do I determine if I have a sedan or a hardtop body style car? To really understand if you have a sedan or a hardtop, the first thing that we have to look at are the pillars of the car that make up the structural support for the roof. Starting at the front of the car and moving back, the first pillar that we run into is called the A-pillar. The A-pillar provides structural support at the leading edge of the roof line and provides support for the windshield area. As we move back towards the middle of the car, we run into the B-pillar. Now, one thing to know about the B-pillar is that not every car has them, and this thing is going to be instrumental in understanding if you have a sedan or a hardtop or not. And finally, the last pillar is called the C-pillar, which provides support to the back of the roof line and also the rear window area. So now that we understand the pillars that make up a roof line, let's talk about this B-pillar right here, because the B-pillar will only be present on a sedan body style. The hardtop body style, which was designed to mimic essentially the roof line when a convertible top was up, will not have this B-pillar. Or there's one other way to determine if you have a sedan or a hardtop, and that is simply by sitting in your car, sticking your arm out the window, and sweeping it towards the back window. If you hit something with the back side of your arm, you've got a sedan. If I was able to take my arm and sweep it all the way past where this post wasn't here, it'd be a hardtop. So in this case, I have a two-door sedan. It doesn't matter if you have a sedan or a hardtop body style, they're both cool. Where it does matter though, is when it comes time to ordering your parts for your car. Items like interior-wise, headliners and door panels are very much going to be sedan or hardtop specific. Things like sheet metal are different. Also, at times, things like fuel lines and brake lines can be different as well, so knowing what body style you have will be imperative to ordering the correct parts for your car. To find the largest selection of restoration and performance parts for your muscle car or truck project, go to our always open, easy-to-use website at fbautoparts.com. There you're going to find the best name brands and also the widest selection of restoration performance parts available anywhere. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube, where we will continually be adding new product review videos and also how to install videos that will be a benefit to you when it comes time to installing the parts on your car or buying them. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep the hammer down and keep it between the guardrails.